6% over last March 2023. It's Friday, April 12th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Prices rose 4.9% year-to-date for the overall shore, proving that home prices continue to rise despite normal interest rates and talking heads about home prices falling. There are a few counties where housing prices have rolled back a bit, but inventory supply is a bit challenging, so hang in there if you're looking for a home. Here are the counties where prices have dipped, and these may offer affordability against other areas that have increased prices. Caroline County dropped 11.9% to $260,000 median. Kent County fell 17.2% to $252,476 median. In other parts, these counties continue to show increasing prices. Cecil County rose to $347,500, a 10.3% increase year over year. Dorchester County moved up 1.2% to $239,990. Queen Anne's County prices are up to $538,757, a 17.8% increase from last year. Somerset County increased 88.1% to $197,050 to $197,500. Talbot County home prices are up 26.7% to $443,600. Wicomico County rose to $259,900, a 2.4% increase. Worcester County is up 3.1% to $417,500. Rentals fell to 80 homes for rent on the market at $2,000 per month, making locating a leased home a bit of a challenge for those not in the market to purchase. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, April 12th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. And I'll see you next week.